Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a GitHub open source tool which is called as Multica. So this open source tool converts your Claude OpenCode into teammates. So it's really popular GitHub repo, just recently released a week back, and it's got almost 17.5 GitHub stars. So it's kind of a coding AI agent where you can actually turn your coding agents into real teammates. It is compatible with both Claude Code, Codex, and Chat GPT, Quen, any kind of coding agent you can use right here. So now to get started, it's very easy. This is their GitHub or official website here, multica.ai. It's kind of a desktop application. It's work with all the AI providers, Claude Code, Codex, Gemini, OpenCode. So first of all, in order to start the GitHub trial, you can continue with your Google account. Simply download the desktop version. It is completely free. And I personally tried this, and it's very good for making full stack coding application. First of all, set up your workspace. Just click on create workspace. After you created your workspace, uh, it is kind of a web application as well. You actually see all your projects from here, and from here you can create a new project. Just give it a name, image to PDF, and just click on create project, and it will create your project from here. You can see that, and from here you can actually inside autopilot you can click from start from scratch. Just assign any kind of prompt. You can select agent from here as well. So in order to install it inside your Windows, it's very easy. Either you can download a desktop software or you can execute PowerShell command as well. So it's also available as a desktop application as well. So if you directly go to Multica, you can simply download this as a desktop application. So click on download desktop. So once you do this, it's available inside the releases section. So depending upon your operating system, simply select. So you can see that. So you select your operating system from here. So it's just 4.52 megabytes. So it's not a big software at all. So from here you just extract the content and run the exe file. So it's a command line tool. So what you need to do, they have given this command here. So simply you can install this inside Windows. Just open PowerShell and paste this command. That's all. After you do this, it will install this Multica CLI from GitHub automatically. So once it finishes, you run the setup file to actually set up this. So once it is installed, you open your command line, Multica setup. It will open this command line. You need to authorize it. So if you're doing it for the very first time, so now it is starting this daemon right here, the local coding agent runtime environment directly in the CLI. So once it is successful authentication, you will get this message. So setup is complete, your machine is connected to Multica. So now after it is now connected, it has given all these commands here. You can go to settings, agents, create new agent. So from here you can go to settings, and from here you can, this is your CLI which is successfully connected, as you can see right here. So from here you click on create, and this gives you your own token. you are successfully connected. And you go to agent and click on create agent, and from here you name your agent accordingly. This can be private, public, anything. Just give it a description. And this is your, you can connect any agent from your command line. It can be Claude, Codex, OpenCode, Gemini. So it basically lists out all the agents which are installed on my machine. So it automatically detects. So whatever agent you are working with, you simply select that agent. So let me select the Gemini one, click on create. So now you basically is connected, and from here you simply provide the instructions, skill, task. You can assign any task. Let's suppose I say build a image to PDF web app in browser. Click on save. So definitely check this out. It's a really good coding AI agent tool. You can assign your coding agents into real teammates, assign tasks, track progress.